Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll explore YouTube automation, an exciting method for streamlining video creation and management. If you're a beginner looking to enhance your YouTube journey, our 5 essential tips will provide you with valuable strategies to save time and efficiently grow your channel's presence online. YouTube automation refers to the process of streamlining various tasks involved in video production, such as scripting, editing, and posting. By automating these functions, creators can devote their energy to developing content strategies and enhancing creativity, ultimately improving the efficiency of their channel's growth and engagement. Choosing the right niche is crucial for your YouTube success. Selecting a specific niche that genuinely interests you not only engages your passion but also attracts a dedicated audience. This focused approach allows for easier automation of content, enabling streamlined production that resonates deeply with your viewers. To enhance your content creation process, leverage tools such as Canva for designing eye-catching thumbnails and professional video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. These resources facilitate efficient production, allowing you to create high-quality videos quickly while maintaining a polished and consistent look across your channel. Automating your publishing schedule is crucial for maintaining consistency on your channel. Utilizing tools like TubeBuddy or Hootsuite allows you to strategically plan and schedule your video releases in advance. This ensures that your content reaches viewers at optimal times without the stress of manual posting. Focusing on SEO is essential for enhancing your video visibility on YouTube. Incorporating relevant keywords into your titles, descriptions, and tags improves searchability. Tools like vidIQ can facilitate effective keyword research, helping you identify popular terms that draw viewers and boost your channel's overall performance and reach. Consistently analyzing your performance is vital for growth on YouTube. Utilize YouTube Analytics to evaluate which videos resonate with your audience and identify areas for improvement. This data provides critical insights that can help refine your automation strategy, ensuring your content continues to meet viewer expectations and drives engagement. In the realm of YouTube automation, many beginners overlook the importance of engaging with their audience. Automation should enhance, not replace, personal interaction. Failing to respond to comments or connect with viewers can lead to a disconnect, diminishing community building and viewer loyalty, which are crucial for long-term success. In summary, YouTube automation is a powerful tool that can enhance your channel's efficiency and productivity. By following the tips we've discussed, you can streamline your video creation process and maximize your reach. Consistent implementation of these strategies will contribute to your channel's growth and online presence. We hope you found value in today's video. If you did, please support our channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Your engagement helps us reach a wider audience and continue providing valuable tips for growing your YouTube presence. Join our community for more insightful content like this.